Are your applications still running like it's 1995? Let's change that story. Everyone talks about modernizing IBM I, but what does that really mean? IBM I modernization means evolving your trusted systems to meet today's demands without sacrificing what works. It's a phased, low-risk approach that's about creating modern web and mobile UIs, transforming your RPG or COBOL code for easy maintenance, surfacing data for powerful analytics, and connecting securely with the cloud and APIs. The payoff? Higher productivity, improved agility, and real cost savings on maintenance and infrastructure. Modernization isn't just change, it's a smart investment in your company's long-term success. Ready to learn more? Visit our Resources Hub to explore best practices and proven success stories.